Okay, rolling camera A, B. Here we go, take one. Hambricks family.
Tell us, Monet, what's your favorite part about Kissimmee?
That's a hard question.
Don't worry, Mom. I got this. Hi, guys. We're kayaking. It's pretty, right, Mom? Cool, right?
You ready for the airboat ride?
My favorite part about Rocky Peak was the airboat ride. There were a lot of birds. I saw lots of alligators and crocodiles because it's called Gatorland.
Growing up in Orlando, we didn't really get a chance to experience Kissimmee like this.
At Gatorland, I fed alligators.
I've never seen an alligator that close, and then I threw a big piece of steak in his mouth, and very scary.
You ready? Yes, I'm not scared. I always got scared whenever it was my turn to go.
Get set, go, go!
Feeding alligators was less scary to me than going on the zip line, and I don't know if that means something's wrong with me, but... Oh, hi.
I thought out there, I'm scared. At one spot on the go-karts, I felt really adventurous, free, and really happy.
I'm proud of you. You had fun?
I was really excited about going to Sunset Walk because they have such a open space and lots of fun stuff.
The nightlife and the lights and the sounds and the people, everybody had an amazing meal and a great time. And then enjoying an amazing night at Medieval Times. Atmosphere at Medieval Times brought back memories for myself as a kid going to Medieval Times, and then coming back with my children. It was great just seeing their eyes light up with the horses and the jousting, seeing the kids enjoy it the way that I did as a kid.
The thing that Kissimmee has that's so special is all the wide range of activities. I mean, there's just literally something for everyone here.
The one thing that I was looking forward for was going hang gliding. Hey, Mommy! Mom! I'm controlling
It melts my heart to see the kids have so much fun in Kissimmee.
The houses to me are so special in Kissimmee because so many of them are themed. Every time you walk in, there's a new surprise for us and the kids. Especially when you have a vacation rental, it's like you get to do all these cool and unique things that you can't necessarily do at home, but then you come back to your vacation rental and it feels like home.
And I enjoy the fact that there's things to do for all ages.
My favorite part about the house is probably the game room. I'm as much of a kid as the kids are.
Beautiful just to see them excited about coming back to a house after a long day out of adventures.
Last year we came and we rented one of these same vacation homes. These vacation rentals are great whether, you know, it's just your immediate family like we are today, or if you bring everybody along with you. If I could describe Kissimmee in 3 words, it would be adventure, fun, and family.